Hey, happy days. Boys have just finished down here at Surfers. All our cladding has been done. Our servery place looks amazing now. So let's give you a look from down here in the corner. The house is looking really good. Bit of character now. We've got the big slider in. Boards have gone on, so that wall's got a bit of character now. That big servery window, it's all looking really good. Yeah. Down the side here, they've gotten all that done, so it's all finished, so it looks complete. Fantastic. I'm looking forward to getting some paint onto this bad boy now. And aircon, as I showed you yesterday, went in. The guys have hung a lot of doors inside. As you come in here now, have a look here, the aircon is in and working. Fantastic. Kitchen is all ready to go now. Look at that servery out to the outdoor area where the bins are. Will be a nice swimming pool, all happening. Kitchen coming in on Monday, Tuesday. Plumbers have been in, did all the plumbing here and had to tidy up all that plumbing down there. So it's all done, ready to go. Found some really weird shit down there in the floor area, but all sorted out. Same here in the kitchen. Same here, we've had some tidied up all that plumbing there, all those pipes that were all over the place. They're done, which is fantastic. Walk through here, doors hung everywhere down here in the hallway. There's a door there, gone in now for the road. Another door here, bedroom, doors in those bedrooms, fantastic. Bathroom now, completely gutted, ceiling gone. Got good view all the way up into the roof. But all been cleared up. You can see the air conditioning unit up there in the roof. It's all been done nice and neatly. I've got to tidy up some wiring now. All this wiring's going to go. It's going to get rewired. We've got a Sparky coming on Tuesday. I think you guys will know what day it is today anyway. Floor's all been cleaned up. I've jackhammered all the old screed from the floor. So we're ready to go here in the bathroom. Now we can just rough everything in, get the plumbing all tidied up because this is all over the shop. We have to change things like tapware there. It's got to be a mixer. Got to put a mixer in. Yeah, we made a bit of a rookie mistake putting the paneling on the wall a bit early before we pulled the wiring out for the switches. So there's a couple of pendant lights going in here. But that's fine, we'll fix that up. That'll get drilled in from the other side of the wall and tidied up from there. So it's all happening here. So guys, big couple of days. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, a bit more demo to do and then we're just ready to start putting the whole thing back together completely. All right, beautiful. Talk soon.